Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to check your loan rate on Upstart without affecting your credit score. So Upstart allows you to pre-qualify for a loan using a soft credit inquiry, meaning that it won't impact your credit score. So here's how to get that done. So first you got to go to Upstart's website, and that's www.upstart.com, and then you got to click on check your rate. So once you get to the website, click on check your rate, and then you're going to enter basic personal details, including your full name, date of birth, and social security number. You're also going to need your employment status and annual income information, as well as the highest level of education completed. So go ahead and provide all of that, and then you're going to select the loan purpose. So it could be debt consolidation, home improvement, or it could be medical expenses. Whatever it is, just go ahead and select the loan purpose, and then you're gonna review pre-qualified offers that display. So you're gonna find the loan amounts, interest rates, as well as the monthly payment estimates for each loan. And you can just decide if you want to proceed with a loan offer. So Upstart will perform a hard credit inquiry, which may temporarily lower your credit score. That's pretty much it on the video, guys. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.